This tutorial review will show you how to send password protected file in Instagram in computer. Instagram doesn't provide this feature to send a password protect file on Instagram, but we can use a third-party website to upload our file, and then we can protect the file, and then we will get a shareable link. Then we can share the link via Instagram message. To do that, open your browser and type here search send password protected file online, and then you have to open this website. So open this website, products.groupdocs.app/password protect. Once you are here, select the file type you want to protect. I'm going to selecting here PDF app and click to browse and selecting my PDF here, and it may take some time to upload your file here, and then you will get a password field. Here enter the password and click on protect, and it may take some time to protect the file. And once it is done, you will get a shareable link, and the link will expire in 24 hours. So click on copy link and then go to your Instagram and send the link to the conversation where you want to send the password protected file, and then the recipient will be able to download or view the file by clicking on the link. And make sure to share the password also. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.